Here you go, guys. We have a 2008 Ford F250. It's got the 6.4 liter Powerstroke twin turbo diesel engine. Truck runs great. We've put about close to 500 miles on this truck. I'm gonna get Daniel to crank it up for you. Get him to rev it up there a little bit. You see it sounds really nice. I'm going to pop the hood. See it sitting there running. Running really good. Let me go back here. You see how clean that thing's burning. Doing really good. Body's very, very straight on this truck. It's a work truck, but it really has not been an abused work truck. You can see it's very straight. Really looking good. Inside the bed has the spray and liner, and it looks like it's had it there its whole life. Like I said, we've put close to 500 miles in this thing, and it's ran great. The little wrench light came on, and we reset it, and it seems to be running fine. So it did do that with us, but we just seem to be doing good with that. So you can see around here on the side of the bed, very straight. This is a southern truck, so it hadn't been up north. It's not rusty. Nice looking set of wheels. It also has tilt and cruise. You can see that's that 183 436. You can also scroll through the thing and you can see average miles per gallon, all that good stuff. So truck's doing good. New owner should really enjoy it. See you, Dan.